This guy is my star. Oops. His name is Sniffles. Hey, Sniffs. He is my all-time star. Let's see if I can just get him out of the light. Gosh, the lighting isn't very good here. What the hell? Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at this adorable face. And he is my most gentle. He has never bitten me. Alright, down you go. He is the best in the West. Yeah, he was the one that was all skinny, all the way down to his skeleton. Now, as you can see, he's so fat, he's got some fluff by his paws. He almost looks like a robo. That's good. I'd rather have a big fat ham than a skinny dying ham. Right, baby? Where's your girlfriend? Let's find your girlfriend. Shall we find your girlfriend? And look at that. Hi there, Nibbles. You sleeping? Alright, I'll let you be.